when I was a young man. I lived fast and I lived hard, fought my demons, and they left way too many scars on my heart, on my mind and on my soul, that led me down a dark and dead-end road. Till one night at rock bottom, I read about a man that even loved the ones that drove nails in his hands. It took a man like that to make me open up my eyes. Took a man like that to make me want to change my life. Took a man like that to save my soul and set me free. Took a man like that to love the devil right out of me.